Hello, students. It's great to see you all here today. My name is Dan. I'm from Archo English Center. Today we are going shopping. Are you ready? Let's go. Great. If you want to ask the price of one thing, you use your structure. How much is it? If you want to ask the prices of more than two things, you use the structure. How much are they? Great. For example, how much is it hoodie? Is $125. How much are they? They are 164 pounds. Before buying something, you need to try, especially clothes. For example, can I try it on? Can I try them on? Great. Weather changing room? Great. It fits me well. Ears too big. Ears too small. Great. Great job today, students. And now you know how to ask the prices when you are going shopping and you know some structures to try the clothes. Try to practice at home and get better every day. See you next time.